Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to unroll this upper upper bar simply by swiping our finger from the top to the center, or just tapping on this arrow here. Now here we've got the timer option, so let's tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, simply tap on the option like to use, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. And after getting back to the camera, you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not before taking a photo. So now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. You can of course tap on this option to quickly turn off the timer, which is quite nice, or you can do it, let's say, manually. So let me set the 10 seconds again, just by entering these options and tapping on timer. If you want to turn it off, simply tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.